Hey guys, and welcome to Googluck. So in the last session under Python token we covered till literal part, right? So, in our today's session we will be learning about our last Python token, operators. So what are these operators? Well, these are some specific character which have a specific task to perform. And based on the function and the task the operators are further segregated into 7 different types of operators. Arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, logical operator, bitwise, identity and membership operator. Fine. So let me discuss them one by one, starting with arithmetic operator. Well, arithmetic operators are the one which is used to perform some arithmetic calculation. So what it does? It takes 2 operands to perform operation on them. For example 2 plus 3. So here 2 and 3 are operands, and the character plus over here is nothing but an arithmetic operator. So there are other automatic operators too. Like plus, minus, multiplication, division. All these characters are a part of an arithmetic operator. Let me just show you one more example. Like 3 plus 5. So you have 3 and 5 are the operand, and plus here is the arithmetic operator. 10 minus 14, again, minus is the arithmetic operator. 2 mod 1, mod, is the arithmetic operator. Let's move ahead. Next we have is the assignment operator. Well, this assignment operator is used to assign a value to a variable the character which comes under this operator are equal, plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to, etc. For example you declare a variable as var equals 10. So this equals is your assignment operator and is used to assign value to a variable. Let's get back to our Jupyter notebook and learn more about it. So, for example I'm defining a variable var equals 20. So this equals is nothing but the assignment operator. Var plus equal to 5. Then again an assignment operator. So what does this mean? Well, it means that var equal var plus 5. So if you print the value of var, what do you think the output should be? Well, you'll get the output as 25, since the value of var is already 20, so 20 plus 5 it's 25. So the updated value of var is 25. Similarly you can perform var minus equal 10. And again get your value printed. So again the updated value of var would be 25 minus 10 equals 15. So, this plus equal to or minus equal to, it is generally named as a shorthand. Which means add or subtract and assign value to self. Same example is mentioned over here like a equals 5, a, multiply equal to 10. So it means that a equals 5 multiplied by 10. When you print a, you get the output as a 50. So next we have is comparison operator. Well, it is used to compare 2 values and it returns true or false as the output. The operators which are part of it are less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, or not equal to. For example. Let's see what example we have up here. So, we have a equals 5, b equals 20. A is greater than b. Obviously, 5 is not greater than 20. Right? So it is giving me false as the output. Fine. So let's move ahead. Next is the logical operator. Well, these logical operators are used to perform some logical calculation, and the operators are the keywords which are a part of it are and, or, not. Example. We have a equals 20 less than 20 and 4 is greater than minus 3. Then print a. So you are getting output as false. Okay. Let's jump back to our Jupyter notebook and see why we are getting the output as false. So you had a equal 20 is less than 20. And 4 is greater than minus 3. So, if you see we have 2 comparison operator up here. So where is the value of 20 less than 20? Since it is a comparison operator. So it will give me a false, right? 20 is not less than 20. 4 is greater than minus 3. This is true. So you can summarize this as false and true. Alright. So since it's false and true therefore it equals to false. Well, how? Well, do you remember the binary calculation that you had learned in your college? It's like 1 and 0 equals 0. Or 1 and 1 equals 1. So consider true as 1 and false as 0. So false and true is false. That's why you got the result as false. Now if you print the value of A, you'll get the output as false. So next we have is the bitwise operator. This operator is used to perform the bitwise calculation. This operator includes AND, OR, left shift, right shift, NOT. So let's see their use one by one. Let's see the example what we have up here. So we have 3 or 6. The output is 7. 3 and 6. The output is 2. So how do you think we are getting this output? Let's see the calculation. So how it is calculated? Well, if you convert 3 into its binary form it's 0011. And if you convert 6 into its binary form it's 0110. Now if you're performing, OR, so basically you're performing a binary addition on it. And if you're performing AND, you're performing a binary multiplication on it. Alright. So let's see. So if you're performing a binary addition on it, so 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is again 1. And again 0 plus 1 is 1. So that's why you're getting the OR of 3 and 6 is 7. Even you can verify this using the calculator. Let's open a calculator. It's a programmer calculator. So 3 or 6. So you'll get the output as 7. It's got. Fine. Next operator that we have got up here is NOT operator. Well, this operator is used to performance a NOT operation. So what is NOT of 6? It's -7, right? How it is -7? So 6 its binary form with 4 bits, what is it is 0110. If you perform a NOT of 6. NOT of 6. What you will get? Well, we will add 1 to the number. So you'll get 0111 and automatically the negative sign would be added at the beginning. So you'll get -0111 in binary form which you convert into decimal, you'll get it as minus of 7. That's why. The output of NOT of 6 is -7. Next is the left shift and right shift operator. Let's see what is the output first. For example, I'm trying for right shift. And 10 right shift, 2, what is the output? It's 2. Let's see how we got the output as 2. So, 10 and its binary from what it is, it's 1010. Well, when you're performing the right shift you're telling the interpreter that you want to shift your bits to the right. And how many bits you want the shift is basically 2, since you have mentioned 10, right shift, 2. Alright. So 1010 shifted 2 bits to the right 00 and move 10 from the end. So, this is how you are shifting 2 bits to the right. So you've got the result is 0010. And if you convert this into decimal form you'll get the output as 2. Fine. So it's like you're trying to push 2 bits from the left towards the right. Next we have is 10 left shift 2. What is the output? It's 40. Let's see how we got that output. Again 10 and its binary form is 1010. So when you're performing a left shift it's like pushing the bits from right towards the left. So 10 left shift 2 is like 1010 and you're adding 2 bits in the end. Since you are shifting 2 bits to the left. So you're getting 101000. So let's convert this into its decimal form. So 101000 and its decimal form is what 40. So that is why you are getting that as early as 40. So there is a shortcut trick. Well, the shocker trick is the just started zeros equal to the number of bits that you want to shift towards the left. For example, I want to perform 10 left shift 3, so my output should be 1010 and 000. It like since I am moving 3 zeros towards the left. So let's convert it. So it's 80. So you're getting the output as 80. Let's verify it again. Well, if you perform 10 left shift 3, you get the output as 80. Fine. Well, I hope the bitwise operator is clear to you guys. But in case your slightest doubt please add your doubt to the comments section below and we'll try to reply them at the earliest. For now we can just move ahead to the identity operator. Well, these operators are used to test if 2 operands shares an identity. The operators which are a part of it is, and, is not. These are basically 2 keywords. Let's see an example. X equal 20. X is 20. It's true. X equals 20. X is not 20. It's false. It is just used to test if the operands shares an identity or not. The next and the final operator in Python is the membership operator. Well, this operator is used to test whether the value is a member of a sequence or not. The sequence may be a list, it can be a string, or it can be a tuple. I know some of you guys might be thinking, what is this list or does the tuple? Well, guys, I'd say that, just be patient. I'll teach you about them in detail during this session. This membership operator, it is used when you want to check if a certain element is present in a list or not. So let's see what other operators which are a part of it. So well, we have in, and, not in keyboards which are a part of this membership operators. Let's see an example. So we have defined a list, or you can see we define an array which consists of dog, cat, wolf. So, we are checking for lion in pets. Since pets is the name of our list, or an array. You can see, so we are searching for lion in pets. So since there is no lion in it. So the result is false. Next, what you are doing was seeing for wolf in pets. So yes, wolf is present in pets. So we are getting output as true. So this was all for this session. In our next session we learn about various data type which we use in Python. Thank you.